Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import an image sequence in DaVinci Resolve. So if I open up DaVinci Resolve and go to the image sequence which I have here and I import it all, what's gonna happen is it's gonna import all the pictures instead of making it a clip. So if I bring it in my timeline now and I play it, you will see it's having all the pictures individual. So that's not what we want. We really want to have it as a combined clip, as an image sequence. So I will delete this all, and now I will go to media page here, and in media page I will come here on these three dots and I will click here. And once I click here, I will click on frame display mode and I will click on sequence. Now you can see the sequence which I have is playing as video, as a clip. So if I go on my edit page and I make a timeline where I can really set a lower frame rate, because most of the time whenever we have a image sequence, we wanna do a stop motion. So for stop motion, we go lower frame rate. So I will go just 16 frames per second, and then I will just choose the resolution which I want, and I will make my video vertical because that's what I shot it on. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go to the import media and select all the images, and after that, once I will open them, they will open as a clip. As you can see, if I scrub through, they are playing as a clip, and now once I play it, you can see it's a clip. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.